Good evening students and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to solve a problem on rank correlation from FI BCom Mathematical and Statistical Techniques. This question was asked in May 2019 for 5 marks. Let us read the question first. So it is given that 6 participants in a music competition were assigned score by 2 judges, X and Y as follows. And below we have a table which gives us the scores given by Judge X and Judge Y to the participants. We are asked to compute Spearman's rank correlation coefficient between capital X and capital Y. To begin with, let us first talk about the Spearman's rank correlation. There are 2 formulae for finding out Spearman's rank correlation given on the type of data which we have. The first one is R is equal to 1 minus 6 times of sum d square divided by n times n square minus 1. We use this formula when the data provided to us has no repeated ranks. If the data given to us has repeated ranks, then we are going to use the corrected formula, which is 1 minus 6 times of sum d square plus cf divided by n times n squared minus 1. We use this formula when we are having a data with repeated ranks. Let us analyze the data which is provided to us. If you will carefully look at the scores of X, then you will notice that no values in X are repeated, and same with Y. So since no values are repeated, there will be no ranks which will be repeated. So we are going to opt for the usage of capital R where no ranks are repeated. Let us start with the solution. We are going to first have the data in a tabular form. So we have capital X, capital Y and their scores. Now the first thing which we are going to do is give ranks to the scores which have been given by the 2 judges. R1 corresponds to the rank given by Judge X and R2 corresponds to the scores given by Judge Y. The obvious way of assigning the ranks is look out for the highest value and give it rank 1 and then successively rank 2, rank 3 to the lower values. Now if you will look in capital X, 61 is the highest score. So we are going to give it rank 1 followed by 54, rank 2, 44, rank 3, 32, 24 and 12. In capital Y, 64 is the highest score, so that will be rank 1. Then we have 50, that will be rank 2, 40, rank 3, 36, 25 and 50. Now if you will look in the formula, we have 1 minus 6 times of sum d square. So we need the term d first. So what is d? D is nothing but it is the difference between the 2 ranks, R1 minus R2. So here we have 2 minus 1, it will be 1, 1 minus 4, negative 4, 3 minus 6, negative 3, 4 minus 4, 0, 5 minus 3, 2 and 6 minus 2, 4. And then we need to go for the squares of d. So that will be d square. 1 square is 1. Negative 4 square will be 16. Just remember that please do not write negative 4 square is negative 16. Squares of even negative numbers are positive. Then we have negative 3 squared 9, 0 squared 0, 2 squared 4 and 4 squared 16. Next we need to total the d square. So I'll be using my calculator. So the total of d square which I have calculated is 46. Let's put up all this in a table. Now we will take help of the formula to calculate the rank correlation coefficient. So we have capital R is 1 minus 6 times of sum d square divided by n times n squared minus 1. Let us substitute the value. So 1 minus 6 into sum d square is nothing but total of d square, which is 46. So 6 into 46 divided by n. Now what is n? N is nothing but the number of scores which have been given by each of the judges. So Judge X has given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 scores and so has Judge Y. So n is going to be 6 multiplied by 6 squared minus 1. Now 6 into 46 is 276 on the calculator. And in the denominator we have 6 multiplied by 6 squared is 36. 36 minus 1 is 35. Continuing further, we have R is equal to 1 276 divided by 6 into 35 is 210. Now we are going to first calculate the division. So 276 divided by 210 is 1.3143 after rounding off to 4 decimal place, and this gives us negative 0.3143, and that is the value of capital R which we are looking for. Thank you so much for watching till here. If you liked the video, please press the like button, and also do not forget to subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.